When you're making a cocktail, one of the most important things for presentation is your garnish.
Expert how-tos.
Some people use bitters as a garnish. Some people will use herbs. Some people use flowers. But today we're gonna use an orange. For an orange, I would take a small paring knife. Lay your small paring knife, the sharper the better. Sharper is safer. Lay it nearly flat against the edge of the citrus you're using. And come all the way down to as far as you need to. Make sure that you have as little white part as possible. This white part on a citrus is bitter. You don't want that in your cocktail. You want to take this nice oily orange part, and then you can take this and garnish it by giving it a nice twist, or you can squeeze it like this and get some nice citrus zest over your cocktail.